Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Zotero storage on your Zotero account. So you want to head over to the Zotero website here, guys, and sign into your account. Simple click your profile on the upper right hand side and go to settings. Also, if you click on the option that says upgrade storage at the top right, you will also be taken over to where it shows your current storage status. So whichever option you choose, it will take you right back here. You just might need to do a few clicks. So on the upper right hand side, if you click upgrade storage, it takes you right in. Other than that, if you're on the home page and you click your profile on the upper right hand side and go to settings, that's going to take you to your profile. Just simply click on storage on the left hand side and it'll take you right back to this page. Here you can see your current plan, guys, and as you can see here, I'm current on the free account or the free plan, and you can see right here that it shows free. It shows you that I get 300 megabytes, but if at any point in time you want to upgrade, you can always choose the plan here, and you can see the sizes and the prices. Here on the left hand side, you can see current usage. It shows how much you have used in your library there, and it shows the total and how much percentage that's there as well. So the more you add files there, it's going to count up in percentage on your Zotero account, and you can track that to see how much storage you have and when to go ahead and upgrade and so forth. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.